Hello and welcome back to another episode of Armchair Talks. Now today we're going to demonstrate to you at the end of this video on how to make Turkish tea by using a traditional Turkish kettle called a çaydanlık. Alright, but if you haven't done this already, please subscribe to our channel. Berna and I would love to have you here as a subscriber. But anyway, enjoy the show. And yes, it's a beautiful day here in Istanbul. It's a Sunday. And you wouldn't think it was winter. Very warm, but yesterday was very cold. But anyway, thank you for being here. See you later. Hello and welcome back to another episode of Armchair Talks. Now, I'm not very well today. I've had this flu 3 times now this year. But this time I've got this cough, headache, coughing, and you got it yesterday. But then again, I had it last week as well. I don't know why. I'm not run down or anything. I'm eating healthy. But anyway, when I came here, everything I've done, tried out as in food, everything's different. Not the same. I mean, we have some similarities in some things, but I'm not going to talk about politics or religion or brands or products. I'm just going to talk about things that I noticed that are different. Well, the first thing I noticed when I was here in Turkey was the teapots. Now in New Zealand we have a teapot, which is just a pot, and you put hot water in it, and you put tea leaves in it, or tea bags. They do the same here in Turkey as well. But they have a thing called a dimlik. It's actually 2 kettles. The bottom one has hot water, and the top one is strong tea. And so what you do is you pour the strong tea into a cup, depending on how strong you want it, and you dilute the tea with the hot water. So it's different. I've never seen this before. It's called a dimlik. So that's the first thing I noticed. We were walking along the Bosphorus shores when I first arrived here, and there was a guy selling Turkish tea, and he had a coal burning or wood burner dimlik with him. And so we just ordered some tea and we sat down by the water there and drank it. And their teacups are very small, very small. Actually, I'm going to show you one. Now, this is a typical teacup, right? And it comes with a saucer. And they call this fincan in Turkish. And this is a bardak. This is a typical or traditional tea glass. It's made out of glass, and you just put tea in it. No milk. Most of them put sugar in it, most don't. And you fill it up here, depending on how strong you want it, and then you fill the top up with hot water. And that's we call that chai bardak. Right, it's because it's chai you put in there. Chai is tea, right? And this is a finjan, like we have in New Zealand, a teacup. Right? Hello and welcome back. Now we're going to make chai bardak, and we like to use organic tea, dark tea. It makes rabbit blood tea. Yes, famous rabbit blood tea. And they are our chai.
Çay iyi demlenmişse biz tavşan kanı deriz. Tavşan kanı.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
And we use filtered water, of course. Makes the tea taste a lot better. Over here we have the dimlik. Now, depending on how many people you're going to be serving, normally 3 tablespoons. So this is the tea that we use, organic tea. So we put 3 tablespoons, 3 of those, into the top part of your dimlik. Right? You put 3 in there. 1, 2, 3. Normally you put 2, 2.5 if it's just Berna and I, but there's 3 of us. We're going to put 3 in there. So basically 1 tablespoon per person. Put the lid back on there for now, and then we fill this up with filtered water. Okay. Then we'll put the gas on. Put the tulip on top of there. Now let it warm up. Okay, so the next part you've got to do is remove it from the heat after it's boiled. Very hot, so you have to be very careful. And pour some of the water into the top part, which has the tea. Now you don't need to fill it all the way to the top. Fill it about halfway. Alright? And then put this back and turn it on low. Right? Yes. And then put the top part on the top. Right?
Rabbit blood tea.
Rabbit blood tea. Dark. So I'll pour hers first, and I like mine light. It's about there. Right.
Let's try.
Let's try. Yeah, yummy.
Yummy. Real tea.
Afiyet olsun.
Afiyet olsun.